also safe. Now I would like to teach important rivers in India. The major rivers in India. The first river, the major river, Ganga. The Ganga river, the state in Uttarakhand as well as Uttar Pradesh. The origin of the Ganga, Gangotri glaciers in Nanda Devi. The length of the Ganga 2510 kilometers. The tributaries of Ganga, Alaknanda, Ramganga, Yamuna, Kosi, Gandak and Gagra, etc. Now, the major dams in Ganga river, Tehri, Ramganga, Kosi, Chambal and Gandak. The Ganga river merged in Bay of Bengal, and in India, the longest and biggest river, Ganga, in the third largest river in Asia. Now, the second, Indus River. The Indus River, that is that is Tibet Plateau, Manasarovar origin, that is in Jammu Kashmir also is there. The total length of the Indus 3180 kilometers. The tributaries of Indus, Ravi, Chambal, Ravi, Chena, Biyar, Satluj, Jhelum. And the major dams, Bakra Nangal project. This is a multi-purpose project, the biggest project in India. And Indira Gandhi Canal in Gujarat and Samera and then dam is, and the Indus River joined in Arabian Sea. Actually, the India name comes from the Indus. Now, third, Brahmaputra. The Brahmaputra, this river is located in Arunachal Pradesh, and the origin of Brahmaputra, Manasarovar from Kailash ranges. The total length of Brahmaputra 3848 kilometers. Actually, the Brahmaputra in India, the name is called Brahmaputra. The river is entered into the Bangladesh. In Bangladesh country, the Brahmaputra river name is Padma. And the tributaries of Brahmaputra, Subansiri, Sang, Kemaris, Dhomisiri, Kopli, etc. The major dams, Jammu and Ranganati, Ranjit. The Brahmaputra river is merged in Bay of Bengal. Now, Yamuna. Yamuna river is located in Uttarakhand state. The origin of Yamuna, Yamunotri glaciers. The total length of Yamuna 1376 kilometers. The tributaries of Yamuna, Tons, Chambal, Betwa, Kod, Kent, etc. The major dams, Lakwad and Vyasi, Renukazi. These are the projects and dams on Yamuna River. The Yamuna River merged in Bay of Bengal. Now next to Alaknanda. The Alaknanda also in Uttarakhand. The origin of Alaknanda, Satpantu glaciers, and the length of the Alaknanda 195 kilometers, and the tributaries of Alaknanda, Dhauli Ganga, Nandakini, Bhagirathi, and Mandakini. These are the tributaries of Alaknanda. And the major dams, Hooghly, Chumsen, BOD, Devsari. These are the processed dams of Alaknanda river. The river is merged in Dev Prayo, that is in Allahabad, and the Western Bay of Bengal. Now supplies. The supplies that is in actually Tibet, Himachal Pradesh, and Pakistan also. This supplies river origin Mount Kailash. The length of the supply is 1450 kilometers. There is no tributaries of supplies, and the Bakra Dam is the constructed on Supplies River. This river is measured in Arabia Sea. Now, Narmada River. Narmada River is in Madhya Pradesh. The origin of Narmada, Amarkantek, the length of the Narmada 1289 kilometers. The tributaries of Narmada, so Tende, Hiran, Burna, Kolar, Tawa. These are the tributaries of Narmada. The major projects, Sardar Sarovar project is a major project, and Burki Dam also another dam. Total 3000 minor projects, 30 major projects, and 135 medium projects on Narmada River. The Narmada River measured in Arabian Sea. Next to Tapti. The Tapti River is in Madhya Pradesh. The origin of the Tapti, Satpura ranges, and the length of the Tapti to 724 kilometers, and the tributaries of Tapti, the Purana and Girna, etc. The dams and projects on Tapti River. So, Chankapura, Girna, these are the dams and projects on Tapti River. The river also merged in Arabian Sea. Next, Godavari. The Godavari is southern Ganga, and this is in Maharashtra, Nasik district, Trayambakam, Western Ghats. Now the length of the Godavari 1465 kilometers. The tributaries of Godavari, Manjira, Parvara, Pranahita, Sabari, Indravati. These are the major tributaries of Godavari. On Godavari, the major dams and projects: Jalapur, Sri Ram Sagar project, Dhabaleshwaram barrage in Rajahmundry, Babli, Polavaram now under construction, and Icchampalli, and Bulimala, and Kaleshwar temple, Kaleshwar project, and Gangapuram. These are the major projects dams on Godavari River. And the river is measured in Bay of Bengal in Andhra Pradesh. Next, Krishna River. The Krishna River is in also Maharashtra, Mahabaleshwar in Western Ghats. Both Godavari and Krishna, both are in Western Ghats. And the length of the Krishna 1400 kilometers, and the tributaries of Krishna, Ghataprabha, Bhima, Malaprabha, Tungabhadra, Musi, and Hyderabad. These are the major tributaries of Krishna. And the major dams: Almaty Dam, Srisailam project, Nagarjuna Sagar project, Jurala project. These are the major project dams on River Krishna. And this river also measured in Bay of Bengal near Hamsara Devi, Vijayawada, Krishna district. Now Kosi. The Kosi is in Bihar state. This is origin. So Sukmoshi and the river Damur. The length of the Kosi 1024 kilometers, and the tributaries of the Kosi: Sipra, Parvat, Banas, Shivana, and Choti, Kailasna, and Kuwari. These are the major tributaries of Kosi River. And the major projects: Gandhi Sagar and Savara, Rana Pratap Sagar project, and the biggest Tehri Dam and Iduki. These are the major dams and projects on Kosi River. Now this river is merged in Yamuna River through merged in Bay of Bengal through Yamuna River. Now last Bhagirathi. The Bhagirathi, the river is in Uttarakhand. The origin of Gaumukhi, then the base of Gangotri, and the length of the Bhagirathi 205 kilometers, and the tributaries of Cheyuru, Jaimangali, and Sagileru, Chitravati, and Papakni. These are the major tributaries of Bhagirathi. And major dams. PABR dam that is in Ahobilam in Karnataka, and Vaikunthapuram that is in Amaravati, Andhra Pradesh, and Chitravati. This river merged in Bay of Bengal. Now, children, Hooghly river is in West Bengal. The origin of Ganga, the total length of Hooghly 960 kilometers, and the tributaries of Hooghly, Bhagirathi, Rupnarayan and Damodar. And the major dam on Hooghly River, Farakka Dam. The Hooghly River merged in Bay of Bengal. Next to Penna. The Penna is also known as Pinakini. The Penna is in Karnataka and Andhra Pradesh. And the origin of Penna, Nandi ranges, Chandakesava hills. The length of the Penna 350 kilometers. And the tributaries of Penna river, Jaimangali, Kudunuru, Cheyuru, Sagileru, Chitravati, and Papakni. And the major dams, Karmali and Jharkhand, and the Penna is merged in Bay of Bengal. Next to Tungabhadra. The Tungabhadra is in Karnataka state. The origin Tunga and Bhadra. The Tungabhadra is Western Ghats, Varaha Parvata hills. And the length of the Tungabhadra 531 kilometers. The tributaries of Tungabhadra, Bhadra, Haridhi, Vedavati, Tunga, and Bharda. The major dam on Tungabhadra river, Tungabhadra Dam. This river is merged in Bay of Bengal. Now, Chambal is in Madhya Pradesh. That is in origin of Vindhya ranges. The total length of Chambal 1024 kilometers. The tributaries of Chambal, Shipra, Kuwari, Banas, etc. And the major dams and projects on Chambal River, Gandhi Sagar, Iduki, Lakhwar. This river is joined in Yamuna River. Now, Periyar. The Periyar is in Kerala state. That is in origin of Sahyadri hills. The total length of Periyar 244 kilometers, and the major tributaries of Mullayar and Suryud and Payaswani and Chandigiri, and the major dams and projects of Periyur, Mulla Periyar Dam, Idukki Dam, and Chitravati and Kulali. And this river is merged in Arabian Sea. Nagavali and Vamsadhara, these two rivers in Andhra Pradesh, especially our Srikakulam district. Now, Nagavali. The Nagavali is known as the ancient name of Nagavali, Langulya. And the state Nagavali is state in southern Odisha, northern Andhra. And The Nagavali River origin Eastern Ghats and that is in Jaipur Hills in Orissa. The total length of Nagavali 217 kilometers. The tributaries of Nagavali, Janjavati, Badaha, and Baldia, Riligedda, Vegavati, and Satnala, etc. These are the tributaries of Nagavali. And the major dams and projects, the Totapalli, that is in Vijayanagaram district, and Madhuvalsa Reservoir, and the river is mentioned in Bay of Bengal, that is in at Kallepalli. And last, Vamsadhara. The Vamsadhara is between Orissa and Andhra Pradesh. The origin of Vamsadhara, Rayagada district, that is in also Eastern Ghats. The total length of the Vamsadhara 254 kilometers. The tributaries of Vamsadhara, Mahendra Tanaya, and on Vamsadhara river, the major barrage, Gotta barrage, that is in Hiramandalam, and Regulapadu barrage. And the Vamsadhara also joined Bay of Bengal near Kalingapatnam. So students, total all this information note on your notebook and read every day what I telling, total social videos you observe and note all important points. So thank you for watching.